Happy New Year, all of you. I know my greeting is a bit late, so please forgive me. I'm happy there are lots of TV shows that have mute or deaf characters. One example is the recently concluded Korean drama titled When the Phone Rings. I enjoyed watching and learned some Korean Sign Language as well. One example is say signing good job. So in Korean, in Korean Sign Language, it's jalhesoyo. So you're patting your arm and saying good job or jalhesoyo. So in American Sign Language is good, and then this is did or what you do. And then in Korean, it's jalhesoyo. Work though, in American Sign Language is this. So it's a different thing. You did a good deed or you did good good you did good. So good deed and then Jal Hesse. We can continue learning while doing what we love. Let's all do a good job this year. Take care and see you in the next video.
Hi, thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write in the comments below. See you in the next video.